Just a quick tip on wheel hub assembly for 06 Mercury Mountaineer. So after days of pounding, you know, heat, slide hammer, puller, hub puller, all of that, nothing worked. It's completely rusted in there. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't have much lighting right now. I've been doing it all day. It's about nighttime. But what did the trick was this puller right here. I rented it from AutoZone. Pretty much just took the hammer and put this on the axle, spun it all the way in there as tight as it could, kept spinning it, the rest with the breaker bar in there, got it as tight as it could, and then once it wouldn't budge anymore, once I couldn't move it, just gave it one solid whack on this part right here with the sledgehammer, and it just fell right off, and I'm ecstatic. Anything else that I did on this sucker would not work. So hopefully this helps.